Hello, my name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Where not only do we talk about great stocks, great crypto, we also like to talk about call options, put options, and we also like to talk about great books, family. Listen, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal week. I hope you guys are looking forward to a phenomenal weekend. I know I am. In the next couple of days, I think I will be in Puerto Rico. All right. I've been working 12 hours a day for the past 6 days. Have 2 more days. What's today? Thursday, Friday, 12 hours each. Then Saturday, I'll be heading off to Puerto Rico for a nice break. I'm definitely looking forward to it. But today I want to talk about Microsoft and Tesla. These are two great long-term holds, and also they're great opportunities there to make tremendous amounts of money when it comes to call options and put options. Okay, now the first one I want to talk about is Microsoft. And as you know, if you've been following my channel, I'm a huge proponent of that 20-day moving average. And I say that stocks never move too far away from the 20-day moving average. Well, Microsoft has been rolling, and it has just been booming past that 20-day moving average. And I was anticipating placing a put option because I believe that eventually it will settle out. It will settle down and come back. But as of right now, man, the money is flowing into Microsoft. Now, the earnings date has been set for 4/27. Now, a lot of times leading up to earnings, same thing with Apple. We have a huge run up to earnings, and then after the earnings report, what happens? Boom, it falls back down 10 or 15%. So I was anticipating a pullback a whole lot earlier than that. I did place an option. I was rushing and anticipating. I didn't even follow my own rules on this one, but we did have a candle here, spinning top, which is a sign for indecision. But again, you must wait for the following candle. So if the following candle is trading below or closes below the spinning top, that may be an opportunity to jump back in. But what do we have the following day? Boom, nice bullish candle, right? Next day, another bullish candle. Next day, another bullish candle. Yesterday, we did have a slight sell-off, but as we can see in the pre-market, we are up $2.42. Man, Microsoft is booming. And with this type of pace, it is up almost $20, $26. All right, it's almost up $26 for the month of April. Man, that's huge. I mean, that's a lot of liquidity, a lot of money pouring into Microsoft. All right, Microsoft is up $26 this $23. It's up $23 this month alone. So again, I still believe that we will have a slight pullback. As we all know, Friday is a day where they will take some profits. So let's keep an eye out on Microsoft. All right. Now, we want to take a closer look into the daily activities, right? So when we take a look at the 30-minute chart, all right, because there may be opportunities where we could buy in and play some call options intraday. All right, now I know oftentimes I'm not sitting at the computer during the day because I have so many other things to be doing. I don't have the time. So a lot of times I base my option calls and a lot of my plays off of daily candles. But when you pull up the charts here, the 30-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, you will see possibly some opportunities where you can jump in and play some call options, like right here. So if I was trading on the 5-minute candle, I see here we had a nice downtrend. And I see the inverted hammer candle here. Just a beautiful inverted hammer. The next candle was trading above and closed above that inverted hammer. So man, this would have been a great opportunity to buy in right here. Buy in right here. And if you would have bought in yesterday before the close after the development, I'm sorry, if you would have bought in yesterday before the close after the development of this candle here, you would have opened up at 255 in the positive. So if this was a call option based on the type of call option you got at the open, you would have been sitting really, really pretty. All right. So, and that's one of the things I used to do. I used to try to pull up a chart at 3:30 before the close, check it out, and see if it presents an opportunity to buy back in. All right. Now, the end of the day, yesterday, presented a great opportunity to buy back in. All right. And as we see, if we would have bought in before the close, we would have had a nice start to our day. All right. But there still is some possibilities out there. So at the open, we will open. We're going to open way up here. We're going to open way up here. So you know what that means, right? So it's going to be, we're going to gap up to $58. All right. So if we gap up here, we got a gap to fill. So initially, I'm thinking we may come back throughout the rest of the day. But as of right now, we gapped up. We've gapped up nicely, but we may come back down here. So be careful placing your option trades today. Just continue watching. And again, remember, wait 30 minutes to see how things shake out before you decide to purchase a option. All right. Or to day trade. All right. Now let's see about Tesla. Tesla is another one of those stocks that they can make you a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money. Because I've made a little bit of money with Tesla, and I've also, to be honest with you, I lost $15,000 twice on some call options, and my options were performing well. The previous president would tweet that he's fighting and the war is on with China. Boom. Tesla drops $40-50. I'm down 15,000. And I said, well, hey, it can't happen again. A couple of weeks later, same thing happened. So, I'm very limited on the amount of money that I do put on Tesla now because of that. But those tweets and stuff may be behind us. But again, Tesla is one of those stocks that move tremendously. All right. It can move tremendously. All right. But once it goes above that 20-day moving average, man, we have nice movement. All right. Once it drops below, we have strong movement. All right. So hopefully we have been hovering over that 20-day moving average for the last week or so. So based on this, I'm thinking that, we have some more upward movement, and man, we can get back. We can get back to $800 next week. I truly believe that. So be careful. Make sure you are making wise decisions. But again, hey man, nice call option. April 23rd, April 30th call option, $1,000 call option. Man, it may hit hard. You may make some great gains because I'm thinking that with this type of movement to the upside, we could possibly see 800 next week, and it could be beyond. It could be beyond that by the end of next week. But definitely, with the amount of momentum going into Tesla, we could definitely see 800. Again, Tesla is always a buy, always a great long-term buy, always a great long-term hold. And pull up the April 30th call options and see what the prices are at the open. All right, this may give you an opportunity to make some great money on Tesla. All right, I'm going to wait. The market opens in 30 minutes. Unfortunately, I can't be on any longer, so I'm going to have to roll. But I hope you guys are having a phenomenal morning, and I hope you guys have a phenomenal weekend. And I'll see you in the next video. Now, if this video added any value to you, please hit the like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.